Hey, it's Mr. Peace. Just got done sharing my heart today at Sutton Elementary School and Simonian Center for Early Learning, and it was an amazing day. Got to be here all day for all the lunches, kindergarten through 5th grade. The main focus of today's talks, assemblies, was on kindness, respect, and diversity. So really appreciating our differences and unique qualities that are inherent, but also really appreciating what's on the outside and seeing everybody as human beings before anything else. Like the shirt says, one race human. One of the examples that helps to reinforce that too is a student that befriended a girl in a wheelchair for life and said that she sees her for this first, her heart as big as our fist, before this piece of equipment. That we really try to make it our job to see people for their heart before anything else. And that's really what relates to appreciating somebody on the outside as it relates to diversity, but we also have to appreciate people for their gifts, their talents, their abilities, what's on the inside, right? And really our worth, our value. And we see that in our hands, the lines on all of our palms, M for miracle, Massachusetts as well, upside down W for worthy. And one of the classes actually took it onto themselves already to make their own poster that shows this concept. They got the peace sign here, like the back of the shirt, have the words peace and kind, and they traced a couple of their hands and put the M on there for miracle as a reminder that we have this incredible value and that we're all amazing individuals, amazing human beings. We just have to be able to see that in everybody, no matter what walk of life you're from, no matter who you are, what you have, what you don't have, that we see people for that heart first. So thanks again for touching my heart. It was great to share with you guys. I hope to come back and share again here in Sutton, Massachusetts. You guys are all unbelievable, beautiful people. A lot of people stepping up today, sharing their heart with me at lunch too, just saying that they're going to choose kindness. People that did bully before regretted doing it, and now they're going to choose love from now on. So thanks again. Hope to see you soon. Peace.